Chapter 17 Birds. Hello, kids. Today, let's look up at the sky. What do we see flying high above us? Yes, birds. There are many types of birds flying around us. Let's meet some of them. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are small, brown birds. They make sweet chirping sounds. And here is a pigeon. Pigeons are grey birds that love to live in cities. They cuckoo and often fly in groups. Look at the parrot. Parrots are very colorful birds. They can even learn to copy our words. Isn't that fun? And this is a crow. Crows are black birds. They are very smart and make a sound called caw, caw. So kids, sparrows, pigeons, parrots, and crows are some of the birds we see around us every day. The sky is full of wonderful birds waiting to be seen.